Hello, everyone. This is Mr. DiGutola. I'm the school counselor for grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. I'm here to introduce myself as a support, someone who can help with anything that might be interfering with your child's education. We understand that middle school can be a challenging time for a lot of students. So please, don't be afraid to pick up the phone, send an email, and let us know what we can do to help assist you guys in any way we can. One thing I would really recommend to middle school parents is to really encourage your students to get involved in everything middle school has to offer. I know 2020 is a difficult time to do this, but after school clubs and activities, getting them involved in band and chorus, really get to know their peers and their classmates, make connections with their teachers, and really be a part of our school community. I look forward to getting to know everyone this school year. Take care.